In this tutorial, I want to show you how to set up WordPress inside of Hostinger. I want to show you how to install WordPress in Hostinger in just some few easy steps. So right on my screen here is hostinger.com. I will leave the link to Hostinger in the video description. It's an affiliate link. I will get a certain commission if you buy through my link. I also have a coupon code that will give you an amazing slash down. As at the time I'm recording this tutorial, Hostinger is currently giving away their Cyber Week discount, and you can see from the screen here, you can get this website for as low as $1.99 per month. You have 3 months free. If you go through my link, you will get to this website here. You can check the video description, get the link to hostinger.com, and what you have to do is to hit this claim deal, and it will bring you down here. I don't know what's going on here. This is not showing in full. This is a little weird. Let me try to refresh this page. Let's see if that will solve this problem. Okay, so I think it's all right now. That was weird, really. It brings you down here. You have access to $1.99 per month, and you have access to 3 months for free. A lot of fantastic features here and there. I really don't want to go over that. You can check that yourself. But trust me, this is an amazing deal. And everything you need to do from here is just to hit the add to cart button. So the next step is for you to choose a duration for your hosting plan. And if you scroll down here, you will see that they have 4 different durations: 48 months plan, 24, 12 months, and then a monthly plan. This monthly plan is always off the radar for me. I really don't like spending time there because paying $12.99 every month is a rip-off in my own opinion. But for some people, they prefer it. That's fine, but I don't really spend time there. I spend time more from the 12 months to the 48 months, and I will always advise people to invest in the 48 months plan. Right now is the cheapest, is $1.99. It will also give you 3 months for free. So that's literally a 51 months plan, and that's crazy. And that reason why I advise people to invest in the 48 months plan is the plan renewal fees. If you come down here, you see that this fee renews at 6.99, while this renews at 7.99, this renews at 9.99. You can see for yourself why 48 months plan seems to be the best. So invest in this. You will be glad you did. Again, it's your purse. You know what's easy for you to do, so you can choose appropriately. But if you scroll down here, you see that you have 85% discount. Ideally, you should be paying $623.52, but now you are paying $95.52. And that's not all. I have a coupon code that can still give you an amazing deal as well. So you can just type in DAPS and hit the apply button. And then you can easily get a 51 months plan for $85.97. That's a lot of discount. This is the best time to invest in Hostinger if you'd ask me. So if you come up here as well, you can see instead of 48 months plan, if you go the 24 months route, if you come down here, let's see what we'll be paying. So you see we're paying $49.46. That's literally like half. And then if you come the 12 months route, let's see what you'll be paying again here. You'll be paying just $26.89. So everything you need to do here for you to check out is just to put your email account, put your password. I would basically always love to invest in the 48 months plan. And then you can use your credit card or use your PayPal details, whatever works for you. I love to do PayPal, so if I select PayPal, for example, so just come down here, hit the submit secure payment, and you'll be directed to PayPal to make a payment. So once you are done making your secured payment, you should be able to set a password. That's if you have a new account. In my own case here, it's not a new account. I have like 3 plans separately on this account. So you'll be directed here for you to start now. What you have to do is to follow the procedure. Just hit the start now button. You'll be asked if you want to create a new website or you want to migrate your website. So if you want to migrate your website, I will suggest that you check the video description for you to see a link to a tutorial I have done on how to migrate your website to Hostinger. Super simple, super easy. I might just leave the link on the screen too as well. For the purpose of this example, we'll create a new website, and then you'll be asked to choose whether you want to install WordPress or you want to go the Hostinger builder with AI, but we are sticking with WordPress in this tutorial. As well, if you want to learn how to install a website with Hostinger builder with AI, I will also leave a link in the video description, or check the screen right now for a link as well. So right now, let's just stick with WordPress. So the next thing for us to do is for us to create a login details for our WordPress account. This is very, very important. My language is English. That's fine by me. If your language is not English, you can switch that. This is my administrator email. That's fine by me. I have to just create a password. So make sure you create an encrypted password. Below here are the requirements: one number, one uppercase, 8 to 5 characters, one symbol. Follow that. Make sure that every of these requirements here are ticked. If not, you'll not be able to pass this stage. So the next thing is for us to hit the continue button, and then you'll be asked if you want to add a plugin to your website. For the purpose of this example, I would skip this. I'll manage my plugins eventually later. So the next thing is for you to choose a theme that you prefer. I love to skip this, but since Astra is here, let's install Astra. So I'll select Astra. And the next thing is for you to claim a free domain. If you register this account newly, you will have access to a free domain. In your case, you might just come down here, select your free domain, select the name, and choose your preferred TLD. It is .in here. You may want to use .com. Generally used by so many. Search for that domain name. If it's available, you can register that domain name, provide your details, and then finish your domain setup. Again, you have another option for you to use an existing domain name. You might have a domain name somewhere already. You don't want to claim your free domain. You can leave that for free and just claim that later, and then just come down here, select an existing domain name, type in your domain there, and then continue the process. Hostinger will ask you to update your name servers, so they will provide you a new name server. So all you need to do is to replace that name server with the current one. Go to your domain registrar, update your name servers. That's very, very easy to do. If you don't know exactly how to do that, reach out to your domain registrar support. They should be able to help you update your name servers. For the purpose of this example, I would choose an existing domain name that I have here on Hostinger. So, and that's the option in the center here. In your own case, it might say buy a domain, which doesn't really make sense if you can use a free one, or you can't use an existing one. So in my case here, I would select an existing one, which is dapsbrook.com. So we still have options here. We can change our domain name. We can also change our server location. I always advise people to choose a server location that is closest to where the viewers, their website visitors, will be coming from. So in case you are in possibly London or United Kingdom and you are creating this website for people in the United States, you want to make sure that your server is in the United States. So that's exactly how this works. I will leave this server location as is. I think I'm okay with that. This is just for tutorials. So I will hit finish setup. So as we can see right now, WordPress is installing already. Well done, you're ready. So we have an option here to go to control panel. Usually we used to have like 3 options here. We can want to edit our website or go to control panel, but I really don't know why, but that's fine. So I also notice here that our control panel here is not clickable. There is no button for us to click. I really don't know, maybe this is a glitch from Hostinger, but either way it's fine. We can find our way around. So I can just come to Hostinger here. I can right click this and open another tab. This should take me to my panel, and then like I told you, I have different hosting plan here, so I can't just come to my hosting plan. This is the dashboard I just created right now. I can just come to manage. This is where you manage your WordPress website. A few things I need to always check. I need to check if my SSL has been well installed. So if I come to security here, I can come to SSL. So I can see here that my SSL is active for dashboard.com, and that's fantastic. So I can come to my dashboard. So once that is good, then we can go to the back end of our website. For us to go to the back end of our website, at our far right here, you see this WordPress logo and admin panel. So if you click this should automatically redirect you to the back end of your WordPress. Alright, so this is what a WordPress dashboard looks like. Managing WordPress is quite very easy. Everything here is on the dashboard at the left hand side here. You can come here, it will take you to the dashboard, and then you can manage your posts, your media, pages, comments. This is Astra, the theme that's been installed. And you can manage from appearance here. You can come to themes, you can customize your website, your widgets, your menu, and then you can go to your theme file editor to edit the code of your theme. You can also come to plugins here. You can install plugins here. You can add new, and you can come to your plugin files to edit the code of your plugins. You can come to users here. If you come here, you see all the users on the website. I am the only user. It's a new account. You can add a new user, and you can change your profile, add your name, change your name, and all those things, emails and all those things. The other additional features here like tools, also for settings, and also you will get more things below here as you install more plugins. So this is a plugin here called Lightspeed Cache. It helps us cache our plugin. It was pre-installed for us. So if we come to plugins and we come to installed plugins, we'll be able to see the plugins that have been installed, which is Hostinger and Lightspeed, and that's what we have here: Lightspeed Cache and Hostinger. Some plugins don't display directly here. Some plugin might just have their features under settings. Some might have under tools. You will be able to see the plugin that you installed depending on the plugin you installed and how that plugin works. But right now I might just want to deactivate these two plugins. So if I click on both, I can come to deactivate, and I can hit the apply button. I can do that up and I can do that below here. I would advise that you install back the Lightspeed Cache plugin to help you cache your website for more speed when you are done designing your website. And you can install Hostinger for you to keep in touch more with Hostinger. That's literally optional for you. It's just a rundown for you to get acquainted with WordPress. This tutorial will not be able to go into details into how to get a lot of things done with WordPress, but basically for you to go to the front end or see what the website look like on the front end, if you come to Dashboard here, you see the option here to visit this website. You can just open this up in a new tab. So let's see what our website look like. You can just see it's just the hello world post, default post by WordPress, and then we can see that our WordPress is powered by Astra theme, and we can see dashboard.com. That's literally everything. So let's come back here. Let's try to see if we can make this website look more beautiful. So what we can do is for us to install the starter template for Astra themes, and you can see here is we already have a prompt to do that here. So you can hit this button to install and activate that plugin. Good thing we have that plugin installed, and that plugin is telling us to select a preferred page builder. I love to do Elementor. You can choose Block Editor or you can choose Beaver Builder, whatever works for you. And then we have options here for pre-made template for our website. So you can come here, you can choose. Note that some of them here are premium. It means for you to be able to use this premium, you have to invest in Astra Pro. So we can scroll down and just find whatever you want to design, e-commerce website, but you can filter down here. You can come in case you want to design a business website. What business are you really into? Real estate, construction, you can choose that. Local business, personal care, professional, personal website, community, e-commerce, you can choose whatever you want. Let's pretend we want to install maybe a personal website. So we can just come down here. Do you want to have a portfolio CV? Are you a photographer? Are you an artist? Are you a musician? Let's say that I am a musician. Let's go this route. I just hope I will find a theme that is free for a musician. So you can see musical instrument here, music school here is premium, piano tutor here is free, love nature, flute artist here is free, ebook author here, party planner, this is a musician here, and you have amazing themes here you can work with. But I will just want to install this since I am pretending to be a musician. So here you will see that I have a preview of what my website will look like, and I think this is a very beautiful website, as you can see here. So you have options here to start customizing things like your logo, upload files, your logo files here. You may want to do all those things. I would not spend time doing that right now. I would just want to skip and continue. and I can choose my color palette, but I think I like the colors the way they are. I might want to change my font too as well, but I think I like what I see on the website. I will just leave all as is, and then I'll hit the continue button. And the next thing here is for you to tell Astra related details about you. That's quite very optional. You may want to also agree to receiving newsletters from them. That's also very optional, but what's important for us to do here is to make sure that everything here is ticked for this, for us to be able to import our demo content successfully on our website. So what we want to do is to hit the submit and build my website button here. Beautiful. In just some few seconds, 25 seconds really, our website has been installed 100% successfully. You can view your website here, but since I have it opened here, I might just want to do a refresh to see if I have the exact same demo that I picked. So as you can see, beautiful website here, and that's literally how super simple and easy it is for you to install WordPress with Hostinger. Isn't this amazing? So we can come back to the back end of our website here, and we can just hit this button here. Yes, we want to exit to dashboard. So you can see in our dashboard now we have more tools. Now we have Elementor here. Elementor has been installed, and we can see that we have our Astra theme here. You can play more, you can watch more Astra tutorials to see how to walk around with Astra, but literally nothing much more to worry about than for you to customize your website. You can come down here and come to customization. This is literally where you get to see most of the customization for the website. While this is loading up, I can come to the front end as well. In case you want to make changes to the text or the images, to everything on the front end here, you can easily just edit this with Elementor. So while that is loading up as well, let's come to the back end as well again, and then you can see here that you can invest in Astra Pro. Like I told you earlier, the Astra Pro will give you more customization, definitely. So you can click this button to check them out. So for global here, if you come down here, you see your typography, the colors, the containers, the buttons. Scroll to top button. If you don't have that here, you can want to maybe add that feature. So that's not highlighted. You can want to highlight that. Where do you want it to display? Web view on mobile. So you can see I have that button right here. So that's literally how to customize your website. So you can play with the header builder too as well. So you can see that our logo is here, and then we have our primary menu at the far. So you can see the same thing here. You may want to bring your logo to the center. You can just literally just drag this to the center or somewhere here. So you can see you may want to drag this maybe to the next page here. For this to align properly. So that's it. You can customize your website. You can customize the header. You can go around the design too as well. Breadcrumb, in case you want breadcrumb, your blog, your page, your sidebars, your footer builder as well. Our footer here is super simple and easy to customize. So you can definitely just come around to the live website here, and then you see this edit button here. If you click this, it should take you to the exact footer that should customize this. So you can see here, yeah, I got this. And you can see that this is the text here, and this is the text. So you can literally change this text here, and this would update. I don't want to make that changes now, so I can change this as well. This should be the logo. So you can see this is the image here. I just want to replace this image with another image and literally customized. So for social media icons as well, I might want to change icons. So you can see for Facebook, I can click this and I can put my Facebook URL. Let's say, for example, I don't have a YouTube account. I might just literally just delete YouTube, and YouTube is gone from here. Super simple, super easy, right? So for this as well, I might want to just change my copyright and just put current year, site title, and which makes sense. You may want to add something more. Maybe you have your VAT number you want to add, or maybe anything you want to add to your copyright. That's literally up to you. For these two as well, these two can be edited. So you can click this, powered by. You can just literally want to change this. I can just say designed by dapps. So I might want to just copy this and just put a link so that anybody who clicks on dapps will go to my website, which is dappsdiary.com. That's it. I might just apply. So you can see dapps now is red. Anybody who clicks on dapps here goes to my live website. You may want to change this too as well. You can just click this button here. You should be able to customize this. This is beautiful. So once you are done making all your settings here, you can just hit the publish button, and that's it. Your changes has been published, and you can just click this to close your customization tab, and that's it. So coming back to the front end now, Elementor is not loaded. Wow, this is crazy. Alright, so we have it opened now, so I can just close this. So you can see literally I can make changes to the front end. So right now, Mercy Law, I might just want to change this to dApps, or just dApps. Professional singer, I can change the text, I can change the images. For me to change this background image, I think that should be in the column. I might just click this, I might come to style, and this is the image here. I might just choose another image and come to my library here and find another image, or just upload an image from my computer by selecting or dragging and drop here, or just use a free image here that is powered by Pixabay. Pixabay is an image, a stock image provider, so you can just type in a singer, you should be able to see an image here. Isn't this super simple and easy? So every text here is editable. You can edit this text here, you can change things here, you can change the background image. Elementor is just super simple and easy to use. So you can add more elements to the website. For example, let's just click this here. You can see that you have these are basic elements that you can bring in. These are pro element features. You need to invest in Elementor Pro for you to be able to use that. Fantastic features there. That's the general features you can still bring in here, like icon list, image carousel, basic gallery in case you want to add gallery. You want to add testimonials to your website. You may just want to drag this to your live website. Anywhere on the website you want to add this. This is amazing. So once you are done with the changes here and there, you can just hit the update button here, and then you can hit this button as well, and then you will see option here to view your page. That's it. We have our website changed here, just dApps. So if you scroll down, we have our scroll to top button like we activated earlier, and then we can see copyright section here has been updated to dApps. So let's click this button, takes me back to the top, and that's my time for this tutorial. If this has been amazing, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section. Literally super simple and easy to use Elementor. WordPress is super simple and easy to use. In case you want to learn more about WordPress and how you can get tips and tricks around WordPress, you should consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I upload videos every now and then on WordPress. I make people look like a pro even if they're a non-techie. Thank you for your time. I will see you in another one, and until then, have a nice time.